especially the media.
Myntri ka tenat pule puthi ka sorkar jela urakam sangma haka khat arterik kala lingkot ula pentip ka sorkar pdeng kala pelai pisa baibam lani ka scholarship ka bakot sahwei kelur arpusan hajar tingka kum ka second installment na ka benta ki samla pule ki bompat yok pediang ya ka scholarship jong usnam arhajar arhajar arpulai
Communication.
Habakren Shakilat Patai Kubor, Urakam Ulaong baka sorkar jela kalayok pediang ya ke shiti na ka sorkar pedeng, bala pelait ya ka song pisa. Bat na kaliang ka sorkar jela kan persyang ban penlait keloy ya ka pisa syaki samla hakatayo banwan. Myntri Ulaong baka sorkar kan shimkhya, kenang baki samla pule kin om ya kendu jing bat hakejuk kapor ula kentu ki samla pule bakin pedan kam bahaya ka scholarship.
Everybody, especially the students who are waiting for last few months for their release of scholarship. Yes, the first installment has already released for about 37,000 students, and second installment was pending. But fortunately, today we have received the communication from the Tribal Affairs Ministry, Government of India. Today we have received the second installment from the Government of India, Ministry of Tribal Affairs today, for post-matric scholarship, and maybe expected maybe next week we will try to disperse to the students, to all my dear students waiting for this. So we are processing it daily, and with due process we will do the needful within next week. You can see at the sanction order today. Sanction has been stated by the Minister of Tribal as 12 January 2024. The question of delaying on the part of the state government does not arise. And had it been in the month of December and November, could have been a different story. But the sanction order itself says it's the 12th January 2024. The question of all this does not arise. 67,000 and 37 has already released. About and minus of 67,000 is a many one.
And how much is this second installment?
So we have received today 41 crore 25 lakhs more as a second installment, as a center say.
And this is for which year, sir?
22, 23. So after times, Honorable Chief Minister, the Minister of Tribal Affairs, and including my dear students who have raised the issue, have waited patiently, and would like to request my dear students to use all this scholarship fund meaningfully, purposefully for their academic purpose. And also would like to appeal to all my dear students, be focused on the academic career, because do not get distracted. All the, yes, government will try its best to complete the process, and government is soldiering the responsibility seriously. And also I would like to request my dear students to soldier their own responsibility in carrying their own academic career, and at the end of the day, for the pride and the future of our state, because we always talk about Meghalaya state are lagging behind in producing the best personality in terms of IAS, IPS aspirant for last few years. So therefore today, this kind of statement, instead of demoralizing our students, but this kind of statement should give challenge to the brilliant students of the state. If other students from Bihar, from Gujarat, from Assam, from Arunachal, from Punjab, if they can do, why not from Meghalaya? Why not from Northeast? So this kind of challenge should, I think, should be in every minds of the students. Also, and also like to request to all my teachers, while we give the education to our students, concept is very, very important, and therefore I think I would like to request as a teacher, as I was also a teacher, our students have to be briefed well with the concept of the topics and concept of the subject.